Hey Bearcats! This video will show you how to use some of the technology in SHSU classrooms. Today, we are going to demonstrate how to use the button control panels. First, turn the panel on using the power button in the upper right corner. The first 4 buttons in the column on the left are for the type of visual you would like to display on the projector screen. PC is for the computer located in the podium. Laptop is used in the event you bring your own device and plug it in at the podium. Doc Cam is to display what is on the document camera at the podium. And DVD Blu-ray is to use if you show a video using the DVD or Blu-ray player in the podium. Take note that if the classroom does not have the technology, a button for the technology will not be on the panel. To lower the volume of your video so that you can speak, press the bottom button in the left column. Press the button once to enable the feature. Press the button a second time to disable the feature. If you need to stop presenting, press the second button in the right column labeled Hide Screen. Press the button labeled Show Screen to resume presenting. The last 3 buttons in the column on the right are for when using Zoom. They control the camera angle that participants will see on the Zoom call. The first arrow, pointed down, focuses the camera on the podium. The second arrow, pointed to the left or right, depending on the classroom, focuses the camera on the whiteboard. This arrow will point in the direction of the specific whiteboard that the camera will focus on if there is more than one whiteboard in a classroom. The third arrow, pointed up, provides a wide-angle view of the front of the classroom. Lastly on the button panel is the speaker volume dial and the speaker mute button. The dial controls the volume level of the speakers in the room. The mute button mutes the speakers, not the microphone. Thanks for watching, Bearcats. Check out our other videos in the Classroom Technology series for assistance with other classroom technology. As always, if you need additional help, contact our IT at SAM Service Desk at 936-294-1950. Thanks and have a great day.